You can now get free carbon monoxide detectors for your home. It's part of a program across Tennessee that gives smoke alarms away at no cost. State officials made that change after a massive winter storm hit the state at the end of January. It left parts of the state with no power for weeks. Some people died from carbon monoxide poisoning because of generators. Carbon monoxide is often called the silent killer. It's an odorless and colorless gas. It comes from cars, generators, and other appliances that use gas. Officials with Rural Metro say you want to make sure detectors are low to the ground.
And it goes low to the ground, it stays low to the ground and builds up from there, whereas smoke goes to the ceiling and comes back down. That's why we put smoke detectors up high. But carbon monoxide is a gas that can really be dangerous at night when people are asleep. So we have those leaks that can happen, propane, natural gas that have carbon monoxide in them, in that gas.
Officials also say you should get a carbon monoxide detector that plugs directly into an outlet and also has a battery backup.